Want to highlight one part of your video? Let's make the spotlight mask effect in Capcut quick and easy. Step 1. Add text. Click on text, then drag and drop the default text to your timeline. Type your text, then change the font, size, and color as you like. Step 2. Create compound clip. Right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. Step 3. Apply circle mask. Go to Video. Click on Mask, then select Add Mask. Choose the circle mask and increase the feather for a smooth edge. Step 4. Animate the mask. Create a keyframe. Then move forward a few frames and move the mask randomly. Keep doing this continuously to make the spotlight move. At the end, move the mask back to the center of the text. Step 5. Reveal full text. Create a new keyframe for size. Move forward some frames, then increase the size of the mask until it reveals the full text. Step 6. Add glow effect. Go to Effects, search for Glow, then drag and drop the edge glow effect onto the text layer. Increase the glow size to make the effect more cinematic. Now play the video, and you'll see your spotlight mask effect in action.